In today's tips video, I'm going to show you how to program the needle up, needle down position on the 6700 and the 9450. Let's start with the 9450. Most Janome machines are programmed to stop with the needle down position because the majority of the time when we're sewing, that's the way we want it, because it's going to keep our needle in the right position, so if we need to rotate, we don't lose our spot. But there are a few occasions where keeping your needle in the up position may be more beneficial. So let me show you how to do that. When we go to the screen, we have to select our set button. It's going to automatically come up to our common settings, but I want to go to ordinary sewing. So I'm going to select the next button over. And at the bottom of my ordinary sewing page, you can see there's an icon here that has a needle with what is a piece of fabric going through, which means it's stopping with the needle in the down position. But I want to stop with the needle in the up position. So now that I've selected the up, all I have to do is press OK. And now the next time I start sewing, my needle is going to stay up and I'll be ready to go. Now that we're on the 6700, let me show you how to program the needle up, needle down position. Like I'd mentioned before, the majority of the time when you're sewing, you actually want your needle to stop in the down position. But there are a few occasions where you may actually want it to stop in the up. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing that we have to do is select our set button. Now we're going to turn our dial to our needle up, needle down button. Now I'm going to turn the page, and as you can see, it's defaulted with the needle in the down position. To turn it, or to change that, all I have to do is turn that dial, and then up here it shows me M will select OK and the C will X out of it. But I want to hit OK, so I'm going to select the M, and then again it shows me to hit the M button one more time. And it's that easy to change your needle from your needle up, needle down position. So now let's go ahead and start sewing. Now it's stopped with my needle in the up position. I've shown you two different ways to program your needle position because it may vary depending on the machine that you have. If you're having issues programming your needle, check your user manual. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.